wondering what someone's really talking about on WhatsApp, whether it's your child or others? Today I'm going to show you how to monitor WhatsApp chats on iPhone using the best phone monitoring app of 2025, spyx. On the left is the target device, and on the right is spyx's backend. We can clearly see that the backend displays the chat records of the target device. So how does spyx actually work?
First, you need to register for an account on the spyx official website. After completing your purchase, select iOS. Then perform two-step verification for your iCloud account. Enter the verification code twice to easily complete the binding process.
As I demonstrated at the beginning, I can view WhatsApp messages on the target device at any time. But spyx doesn't just track WhatsApp messages. It gives you a full picture of what's happening on that phone, who they're texting and calling. You can see who they are calling and who is in their phone contacts. Photos and videos. All photos and videos can be monitored, and they are updated in real time. Social media activity. Most social media data can be easily viewed, such as Kik, Telegram, etc. Browser history. You can check what he's browsing and searching for on his phone at any time. GPS movement in real time. Real-time location monitoring allows you to easily see where your children or partner are.
If you're a parent worried about your child's safety, this tool gives you the insights you need, discreetly.
After 10 hours of testing, I was honestly blown away. spyx didn't just work, it worked flawlessly. No lags, no detection, and a surprisingly simple setup. I've tested a lot of apps like this, and spyx is hands down one of the most effective I've ever tried. If you're curious and want to try spyx for yourself, I've dropped the official link in the description. It's definitely worth checking out, especially if you care about knowing the truth. Pro tip, if you're using this for iPhone, make sure iCloud backup is enabled. That's the key to getting full access. And if you have any questions about how spyx works or need help setting it up, drop a comment below. I reply to almost everyone. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you. And subscribe for more real-world tech reviews like this.